Global warming is the long-term warming of the planet caused by an increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, mainly due to the increasing levels of carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, and other pollutants. These substances, known as greenhouse gases, trap heat from the sun in the Earth's atmosphere, causing the planet to warm. The main human activity that contributes to global warming is the burning of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and gas. There is now overwhelming scientific evidence that global warming is happening, and that human activity is the main cause. The Earth's average temperature has risen by about 1.0 degrees Celsius, 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit, over the past century, and is expected to rise by another 1.5 to 2.5 degrees Celsius, 2.7 to 4.5 degrees Fahrenheit, in the next century. This may not seem like a large increase, but it is already having significant effects on the planet. One of the most visible effects of global warming is the melting of polar ice caps, which is causing sea levels to rise. This is a serious concern, as rising sea levels can flood low-lying areas, such as coastal cities and small islands. Global warming is also causing more frequent and severe weather events, such as heat waves, droughts, and storms. These events can have a range of negative impacts, including loss of life, damage to infrastructure, and negative economic consequences. There are things that can be done to mitigate the effects of global warming and reduce the emission of greenhouse gases. Governments, businesses, and individuals can all play a role in this effort. Governments can implement policies and regulations that encourage the use of clean energy sources and reduce the use of fossil fuels. Businesses can invest in clean energy technologies and reduce their carbon footprint. Individuals can make lifestyle changes, such as using public transportation, reducing energy consumption at home, and using energy-efficient products. Questions. 1. What is global warming? 2. What are greenhouse gases and how do they contribute to global warming? 3. What is the main human activity that contributes to global warming? 4. How much has the Earth's average temperature risen over the past century? 5. How much is the Earth's average temperature expected to rise in the next century? 6. What is one visible effect of global warming? 7. What are some negative impacts of more frequent and severe weather events? How can governments, businesses, and individuals contribute to reducing the emission of greenhouse gases? Global warming, the long-term warming of the planet caused by an increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere, mainly due to the increasing levels of carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, and other pollutants. Greenhouse gases, substances such as carbon dioxide and chlorofluorocarbons, that trap heat from the sun in the Earth's atmosphere, causing the planet to warm. Fossil fuels, fuel such as coal, oil, and gas, that is formed from the remains of plants and animals that lived millions of years ago. Polar ice caps, the thick layers of ice that cover the North and South Pole. Sea levels, the average height of the surface of the sea, especially in relation to the land. Heat waves, a period of unusually hot weather. Droughts, a long period of time when there is not enough rain and the land becomes dry. Storms, a violent weather condition with strong winds and usually rain, thunder, lightning, or snow. Infrastructure, the basic facilities, services, and installations needed for the functioning of a country or area, such as roads, bridges, and hospitals. Now you can pause the video and answer the questions.